Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Minasa cookies. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Don't forget 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having your mixing bowl and cookie cutters ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get mixing. First, cream together your softened butter and powdered sugar until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg and vanilla extract until everything is perfectly combined. Gradually add the glutinous rice flour, mixing until you have a soft, workable dough. Roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick, then use your favorite cookie cutters to create delightful shapes. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your beautifully shaped Minasa cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are lightly golden. Remember, avoiding overbaking is key to keeping these cookies wonderfully tender and delicious. Almost done. Let your freshly baked Minasa cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once they are entirely cool, store your delightful Minasa cookies in an airtight container. They will stay wonderfully fresh for up to 1 week, ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.